Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to add drop cap in Google Docs. So, let's go. First open Google Docs. Put the cursor where you want to add drop cap. Tap on the insert. Then drawing and click on the new option. Now the drawing tool will open. Click on the action. And select the word art. Now type the word. And press enter. Change the color to black. Select the font Cambria. If you don't see this font, just add this font like this way. Now save and close. After that, click on the warp the text option. Small the letter. You can also adjust the letter using image option. That's it. Now, you successfully add drop cap in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.